Today, 1 billion people do the same thing, at the same time, for the same reason. Sophia wanted to understand why.
Every family.
Going the same direction. So early. What is today? How? Eid al-Adha. The other Eid. I said yes already. I do not even know what I said yes to yet. I wrote 5 words before I went. Sacrifice, Qurbani, Ibrahim, faith, share. I did not understand any of them yet. Is this right? Is this respectful enough? I want to get this right. It matters.
Sophia! You came! Eid al-Adha Mubarak!
Eid Mubarak, Sophia. Welcome. Today is a big day.
Sophia, are you scared of Qurbani? I was scared the first time.
Scared? Should I be? What exactly is Qurbani, Yusuf? Every year, same morning, same walk, same neighbors, the whole neighborhood. This is what Eid feels like. So many people, it is full, and more coming. This is big. More people, deeper meaning. You will feel the difference. It is deeper today. Something is different from the last Eid. Eid al-Adha carries a heavier meaning. You feel it even if you do not know why yet. You want to understand Eid al-Adha. Good. Then I will tell you a story.
Yes, I want to understand the real reason, not just the words, the reason.
Ibrahim loved his son more than anything in the world. Then God said, "Give me what you love most." His son? God asked him, for his son? Ibrahim said yes. He was ready. And at that moment, God said stop. He passed the test. He was really going to do it.
And every year we do Qurbani to remember. We also give our best thing, not keep it.
You give your best, not your extra, not what you do not need, your best. The meat is divided into 3 parts: family, neighbors, the poor. You keep only 1/3. You keep giveaway first. The poor.
1/3 our family eats, neighbors and friends.
You only keep 1/3 of your own Qurbani for yourself. That is the rule?
That is not a rule, Sophia, it is the point.
Here, take this one. We deliver together. You will see where it goes. That is the important part. I carry one? I come with you?
Dad, if Ibrahim loved Ismail so much...
That is the question, Yusuf. That is exactly the question. Sit down, let me try to answer.
Because he trusted. When you truly trust, fear becomes smaller than faith. Always.
Fear becomes smaller than faith.
Fear becomes smaller than faith. I am writing that. That is for everyone, not just for Eid. We go to 8 families today. Some are poor, some are sick, some are alone. All are our neighbors. 8 families, that is a lot of walking. Eid Mubarak, Habibti. God bless you. God bless your family. You remember me every year. Every year, Khalid. Every year. Eid Mubarak. She lives alone, doesn't she? 11 years, since her husband. We are the only family she sees on Eid.
So many children! Hello! Eid Mubarak! How many of you are there?
Eid Mubarak. I want to take another package? You feel it now, don't you? Yes, I didn't expect it to feel like this.
Eid al-Adha Mubarak, Uncle Tariq. Eid al-Adha Mubarak, Uncle family.
Please accept it. Eid Mubarak, my son. God bless you.
Look at his face. He is so proud. This is the first time he delivered alone? Yes. He starts to understand what Eid al-Adha really means.
Done! All 8.
All 8. You feel lighter. Yes? Yes. How? I gave things away and I feel like I received something. That is Eid al-Adha. That is exactly it.
Bismillah.
Bismillahullah.
Mansaf, the Eid al-Adha dish, lamb in jamid, 20 years old.
50 years of the same dish, same day, same family.
Does it feel strange, eating the Qurbani?
But I understand it better now than I did this morning. This morning I did not understand.
In Islam, the animal is treated with complete respect.
Named, fed well, no fear before. The how matters as much as the what. Right now, 2 million Muslims are in Mecca for Hajj. This same day, the same Eid, and the woman alone on her street, all the same day.
My first Eid al-Adha as a mother, I had nothing. We gave everything, felt so full.
You gave everything and felt should not
Full.
make sense. But it does now. More people? This house just keeps expanding. How many people come today? The door does not close on Eid al-Adha, not once.
Basbousa! Grandma's basbousa! This is what I waited for all day, the whole day.
The whole day he waited, not for the meaning, for the basbousa.
The rose water, it soaks through everything, and it is so soft inside.
Rose water and orange blossom. I soak it twice. Some people soak once. They are wrong.
3 things, Sophia. 1. Ibrahim said yes. 2. We give our best.
The best. 3. The poor eat first. Remember?
Sophia, after today, what do you think Eid al-Adha is really about?
Give me a moment. I want to answer properly, not just the first words that come. It is about choosing the harder thing. When you could keep everything, you give. Because trust is bigger than fear.
Yes.
Today I carried packages to 8 families, and I understood a story from 4,000 years ago. That is Eid al-Adha, the ancient and the present, always together.
I know to do as me to. I need to find P to create on me.
I lo samunch to me, leo expati to bregments.
Basbousa. For tomorrow. You eat it, and you remember today.
I will not forget today, any of it. Eid al-Adha Mubarak, all of you. I wrote in my notebook all day. These are the words from today. Real words. From a real Eid al-Adha. Sacrifice. To give something important, something you love, for a bigger reason. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Qurbani. The sacrifice done on Eid al-Adha. The meat shared in 3 parts. Poor people first, always first. Faith. Believing even when it is hard. Even when you are afraid. Fear becomes smaller than faith. Faith. Distribute. To divide and give to different people. We distributed Qurbani meat to 8 families today. Distribute. Humble. Not thinking you are better than others. Omar wore his best clothes to give food to people with nothing. Humble. Eid al-Adha Mubarak. It means blessed festival of sacrifice. Say it. Eid al-Adha Mubarak. To everyone watching. Allahu Akbar. God is the greatest. Muslims say this in prayer. In joy. In gratitude. Allahu Akbar.
Yusuf taught me 3 things. 1. Ibrahim said yes. 2. Give your best. 3. Poor eat first. Remember,
I thought Qurbani was just about an animal. I was wrong. It is about the hardest human act. Choosing to give your best thing. That is what this family did today. Grandma Maryam gave me basbousa. So I would remember. I will eat it tomorrow. I will remember everything. Eid al-Adha Mubarak. To every Muslim watching. Comment below, Eid al-Adha Mubarak. And tell me, what is the best thing you ever gave away? I want to read every answer.